Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Montessori toys is probably one of the most effective ways to foster a child's development, especially for a 4-year-old. These toys are designed to encourage hands-on learning, independence, and a love for discovery. In this video, we'll explore some of the top Montessori toys perfect for your 4-year-old, helping you choose the best options to support their growth and learning journey. Number 5. Busy Book for Toddlers, Montessori Learning. This busy book is made with thick, double-laminated pages, perfect for little hands. It's designed to last and is safe for children. It has passed all U.S. toy safety tests. The book includes 14 different themes, such as animals, colors, letters, and shapes. This helps expand a toddler's knowledge and curiosity. It's designed to make learning fun. The busy book comes fully assembled and ready to use. All the pieces are pre-attached, so your child can start playing right away. It's easy and convenient. Made from safe, non-toxic materials, this book is great for travel. It's ideal for keeping toddlers engaged on trips. It's perfect for learning on the go. This book helps toddlers build important skills through play. It covers essential early knowledge in a fun, interactive way. You can shop with confidence with our 30-day return policy. What we like. This busy book is designed with thick, durable pages, ensuring it can withstand enthusiastic little hands. It features engaging themes to expand your child's knowledge. If you are looking for a travel-friendly toy that promotes learning and keeps your child entertained on the go, you should consider this one. What people say. The wooden toys are well-made and durable. The toys are designed to be educational and promote learning through play. The set includes a variety of activities that keep children engaged. Number 4. RURVALE Magnetic Tiles 44 PCS, Gift for Girls. Are you looking for a safe and educational toy for your little girl? This magnetic tiles set is the perfect choice. It's designed to spark creativity and provide hours of fun. This set includes 44 magnetic tiles in various shapes, including squares and triangles. It helps children learn about colors, shapes, and magnetic polarity while having fun. These magnetic tiles are more than just toys, they're tools for learning. They encourage kids to explore STEM concepts and develop their imagination. We know safety is a top priority. That's why this toy is made from safe, non-toxic ABS material. The edges are smooth, making it perfect for little hands. This magnetic tile set makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for kids aged 3 to 7 and comes with a convenient storage bag. The set comes with a storage bag, making it easy for kids to organize their toys. This helps them develop good habits while having fun. What we like. These magnetic tiles are designed to foster creativity and learning through play. It is made of safe and durable materials, ensuring your child's safety. If you are looking for a gift that encourages STEM learning and provides hours of fun, you should consider this one. What people say. The wooden toys are well made and durable. The set includes a variety of activities that promote learning and development. The design is simple and engaging, perfect for young children. Number 3. Kids Cooking Set, Safe Knives and Cutting Board. This amazing 13-piece set is perfect for young chefs. It includes a variety of safe knives, cutting boards, and more. It's designed to let them explore the world of cooking safely. Made from wood and food-grade polypropylene, this set is non-toxic and BPA-free. The materials are safe for kids to use. They are durable and designed for long-lasting fun. The wooden knives feature cute patterns to attract kids. The handles are designed for a comfortable grip. It allows them to easily cut various foods like carrots and cucumbers. This set encourages creativity and hands-on skills. Kids can cook alongside their parents. They can create their own dishes for the whole family to enjoy. This kitchen set provides a great opportunity for parent-child interaction. It helps children learn by imitating adults. It improves their hands-on skills and promotes a strong bond. What we like. This set includes safe, kid-friendly knives and cutting tools, perfect for little chefs. It encourages creativity by allowing children to help in the kitchen. If you like to encourage your child to explore the world of cooking and develop essential life skills, you should consider this one. What people say. The knives are sturdy enough to actually cut through fruits, veggies, and soft foods, but still totally safe for little hands. The handles are comfortable and easy to grip, and the bright colors make it fun for my child to pick which one to use. She has used the knives and cutting boards to cut fruit and the peeler to peel cucumbers. Number 2. Montessori Magnetic Maze, Toddler Color and Number Puzzle. This magnetic maze is a fantastic way to introduce colors and numbers. It features colorful beads and ice cream representing numbers. It's a fun way for kids to learn and play. Using the magnetic pen, children move the beads to match colors and count. This helps them develop patience and focus. They will spend hours playing with it. This Montessori toy encourages learning through play. It helps with counting, color recognition, and hand-eye coordination. It also develops fine motor skills, keeping kids engaged for hours. Made from natural basswood with a smooth surface and non-toxic paint, it's safe for kids. The sturdy design ensures the magnetic beads won't fall off. This magnetic puzzle comes in beautiful packaging, making it a perfect gift. It's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday. It's also a great road trip companion. What we like. This magnetic maze helps children learn colors and numbers while improving fine motor skills. It is made of durable, safe materials. If you have a child who loves puzzles and enjoys hands-on learning, you should consider this one. What people say. The wooden toys are well made and durable. The design is perfect for little hands. The toys are great for teaching colors and shapes. Number 1. Panda Brothers Montessori Screwdriver Board Set. This Montessori toy is designed to help children learn practical life skills. It allows them to independently solve real-world challenges by using tools like a screwdriver. This helps develop hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. The set includes different insert screws for children to practice removing and reinserting. This improves their recognition abilities and sensory activity. It's also helpful for kids with special needs. Crafted from natural wood, this board is a long-lasting investment. Its smooth design fits perfectly in small hands, ensuring safe use. It helps develop fine motor skills and teaches how to use bolts correctly. This screwdriver board provides fun and creative challenges to keep kids engaged. Its convenient size makes it easy to carry and use in various environments. It encourages focus on natural learning activities. This Montessori screwdriver board turns learning into a fun experience. It's the best gift for kids and toddlers, making them smart and happy. It also gives them a sense of accomplishment by completing real-life tasks. What we like. This screwdriver board helps children develop fine motor skills and learn practical life skills. It is made from safe and natural materials. If you are looking for a toy that promotes independence and problem-solving skills, you should consider this one. What people say. Well-crafted and real tools. My kids love to play with this and explore while it teaches them how to use tools. It's small enough to fit in her toy box and bring with us to our projects. It's simply a common array of screws and tools you'd commonly use. Its value lies at the fact that it's teaching a skill that they will always need. It's small enough where it's portable to take on the go to restaurants or travel and the perfect size for tiny hands. The pre-drilled holes are reinforced and it seems it'll last really well despite his rough play. All the screws except the 2 largest fit in the slots for storage to help lessen the chance of losing pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.